Hey beauties, so I thought I would hop on and do a little get ready with me in my car. I'm just waiting for my husband right now. He's visiting his mom and they don't let so many visitors go in, so me and Roxy's in the back sleeping, so I'm here just waiting for him in the car. But I have no makeup on and I'm feeling like, look at this, I'm so exhausted, so I figure I'll just cheer myself up, put a little makeup on. And yeah, I put a bunch of stuff in my bag, so of my favorites, like my daily favorites now, so that's really good. So I got some good favorites in here, like this Tatcha primer is so nice, and you can see like it instantly brightened my under eyes, so that's pretty awesome. And I just never feel my best when I have my brows on, so I'm gonna do this brow NYX brow, what is this, Stick It. This is the tinted one. It's so good. So yeah, my husband's mom is she's doing really good, you guys. Some of you might have seen in my last video I was talking about, or one of my last videos, she had been diagnosed with dementia now, so it's really hard, but she's doing good now, guys, because we have her in this place where they rehab her. She does a lot of exercises, she's socializing, so she was kind of regressing, but now that they have her doing so much, they take her to therapy every day, physical therapy, they get her going. They have a lot going on, so it's really good because that helps her brain to stay healthy by being stimulated and everything. So she's actually doing better now. So I feel so much more put together with my brows on. But you guys, I've been loving this palette so much. This is the Lawless palette, and I never got to try the kind of more neutral shades. So far I used the lavender, the orchid, but I gotta try this shade right here. This is talc free eyeshadow. So yes, that's beautiful. I said I hope this will make a great, because for everyday looks a lot of times I just like that, you know, more neutral shade, but this is beautiful, and it is more, yeah, it's a little warm though, but that's okay. I like a warm. Do you guys like warm neutrals for every day? I do, although I'm trying to break out of my habit and get into a cooler tone. I don't know, but I love warm. It's just me, you know. And this Lawless mascara is unbelievable. Do you guys see that? It's crazy good. How amazing. And then this is so amazing. This is that Pixie On The Go bronze. It blends so easily. It's amazing. I love it. And I just put on some lip plumping gloss. This is so good from Scrandy. So good. Makes your lips big.